Hello everyone, welcome back my fellow shoppers to another unboxing. Today we're showing you guys this portable label maker. So guys, look at even the packaging is really cool. So look at all these different labels that they provide you with, and this is it. This is it. Wow, that is awesome. So they give you labels, manual, charging cable. Really cute labels. That's awesome. So this is the whole kit. Go ahead and all you do is lift this lid up. Check this out. They make it so simple and so easy to do, to use. Put in your label, pull it through. Let's go ahead and check it out and see how it works. As you go ahead and you download the app. So once you do that, we're gonna go ahead and print some stuff out to see how it works. So guys, we got the app, and so far I am actually loving this. We're gonna go ahead and print some text here, and we're doing 5. Okay, so as you guys see, we didn't have it lined up perfectly, so we're still playing with it, still learning it, but absolutely amazing. The app is phenomenal. So the app is very easy to use. You select your size of the stickers and all this stuff. So there's a lot of stuff that we're still learning, a lot of things. So we would pick the size. So what we want to do here, so you scan it to get the template, and then you get your template and it shows you the template, so you know the details of it. So we know the size is 30 mm, 12 mm. So what we want to do is that's what we're going to use for our sizing. We then hit edit, and now we can go ahead and we can do our text, and we can do photos, bubble, image, sticker, graffiti, date, barcode, line, all this stuff. You did not have to create an account. The app is so simple, so easy to use. This is the best label maker I've ever reviewed so far. That is awesome, guys. This is amazing. Absolutely top rating from me, 100%. Guys, this thing is the best. From usability to the app to everything, anybody can figure this out. It is so simple, so easy. It is definitely, I don't like giving ratings for stuff, but this gets one of the highest ratings that I can give. Absolutely love this. I think you guys will be extremely happy with this. It prints in black and white, the text and your photos, so keep that in mind. It doesn't print color with that, but it's amazing.